show you how to make a leaf, like this painting here. And what I did was, to make it simple, I got a real leaf. So you have lots of leaves in your trees. So I brought in a real leaf. I put a piece of paper underneath it to catch the paint that I'm going to put on it. And then you're going to make a nice painting. So what I did was I got a sponge. You can use any kind of sponge that you have there. And we will dip into some, I just have some leftover paint from other things I was doing. I'm just going to tap into all the colors that I have here. Yellows, reds, blues, see? Okay, a bit of white to brighten everything up. And I'm going to tap on this, lots of paint. There we go. And that paper will catch the paint so it doesn't go on your canvas. If you're deciding to put these leaves on your paintings, you can put these leaves on a painting and paint around them and make a beautiful painting. Just make sure we got lots on there. Okay, so I have some, I'll dip into some red, some yellow, some blue and white deliberately for this painting. Okay, so we have the little extra. I just want to make sure I have lots there, so I catch the ends and catch it all. Alright, so take it off of there. And then I want to lay it down with the wet paint down. Then I'm just going to push it down. I'm going to use going to put a bit of plastic on there so that I can get a better grip. I'm just going to push down on it. Push, push, push. Let's see how that worked out. Hopefully it worked out okay. We will find out. Nice, got nice colors. Not quite as green as this one, but you can make it green like that if you like. But I like the colors like that. You put them side by side, and you get yourself a small flat brush or a liner brush, and you're going to adjust the things that didn't come out as good, like see here and here. Right, so we're going to use the liner brush, pick up some colors, and pull out so that you get that nice sharp. exactly the same. It almost looks real. But you can have just green if you like, the darker green if you rather. Okay? So that's pretty nice. I hope you enjoyed this. Let's see if we can find other things to do. So you can also cut things out. So say you got a pear or any shape that you want, a piece of fruit or whatever, and you want to add that to your painting. Let's see if we can get that to work. Alright, so let's just go and put that here, anywhere at all. You can just use it over again, doesn't matter. And we'll get our, you can use a brush or you can use a sponge. I kind of like the sponge look. I like using the leftover paints that I have. I might even add a few little bits more because there's not much left after I use them. So you can just dab into whatever you have there. Red, yellow, blue, white. The blue will turn a bit green too. Kind of like that. Alright, let's see what happens. So I'm just going to hold it down a little bit. I'm going to tap on here for those gorgeous colors. Try not to tap over the same area too much because it'll flatten them out and then you lose your colors. Alright, that's nice. So let's take that, see what happens. Okay, so we'll squish it down a little bit. I'm hoping I won't lose all the colors. I find using the plastic helps my fingers move around a bit better, or you can even use the plastic around. Alright, I'm not pushing real hard because I'm hoping to keep those colors. Let's see what happens. Make sure you pick it up before it dries. You won't be able to get it up. Alright, up, boom! Not bad. Now you fill it in now. So get a brush and pick up some colors. You know the shape. If you lose or you can't remember or you get confused, just go look at a picture of a pear. Pick up some of your colors just on a brush, or you can't go back into the sponge again because it won't. See, here's the end of it here. So I'm just going to tap this on so it will blend in with what I already have done. Just so I can get that shape back. I didn't lose too much though. A little stem up here like that. Well, thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.